Bean plant life cycle. Today we're going to learn all about the life cycle of a bean plant. Seed. The bean plant starts life as a seed. The seeds are small, hard and colourful, usually red, purple or black. After around 2 to 3 days, with sunlight, water and nutrients from the soil, the seed begins to germinate and a tiny shoot starts to emerge. Seedling. The seedling continues to grow bigger and the stem and leaves start to appear. The roots also continue to grow underground. Some bean plants can grow very tall. Flowers. After around 6 to 8 weeks, the plant begins to produce flowers. The flowers can be bright and colourful. The flowers are then pollinated by insects like bees. Fruit. After pollination, the flower turns into long bean pods. These are the pods that we can pick and eat. This usually happens after around 12 to 14 weeks. Seeds. The bean pods dry out and split open and the seeds fall to the ground. Eventually the plant dies, but the seeds left behind could grow into new bean plants, starting the life cycle all over again. Thanks for watching and listening. For more life cycle videos, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.